Well, everybody are well. So, learners and viewers, and most of the important students are watching my channel. So, I was discussion and solve in many kinds of real numbers and equalities criterion questions. Now I want to solve these questions easiest and easily process, and I think you have to complete in your subscribe and share. So now I would like to say some things about this discussion with that question. F of x equal to modulus x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 is an absolute values. Find the minimum value of f of x. F of x is greater than 0 is solved with line graphs. Show that f of x is greater than 0, then prove that x square minus 1 is modulus is less than 7 by 9. So firstly, these questions are solved is number 1. Given that the function f of x equal to x minus 1 minus 1/3, so you have to deeply thinking firstly, x minus 1 is always positive with all real values of x. X is the all real values, then obviously then these values of automatically real numbers, and then x minus is the minimum value of 0, then f is the minimum value of 0. So f of x is minimum value 0 is less than minus 1 by 3. That's our number 2 is complete, and you have to collect in 2 marks. And question number 2, f of x is greater than 0 is solve with line graph. So given that the function f of x equal to, since f of x is greater than 0, then f is greater than 0. So we have to deeply thinking firstly, modulus is plus, so then x minus 1 modulus minus 1/3 is greater than 0. That's why x minus 1 minus 1/3 is greater than 0. That implies x minus 4/3 is greater than 0. So that's why x is greater than 4 divided by 3 is a positive sense, and the negative sense is x minus 1 modulus minus 1/3 minus 1 divided by 3 is greater than 0. So that's why minus x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 is greater than 0. So that implies minus x plus 1 minus 1/3 is greater than 0. That's why minus x plus 2/3 is greater than 0. So that implies x minus 2/3 is less than 0. Is less than 0. That's why x is less than 2/3 is and these are the solution of this f of x is greater than 0. So it is clear, obviously clear and easily. So you have to practice day after day. I think always talk about with your learners. You have to solve this the question patterns and question solved. So solution set. So solution sets. So solution set, x is less than x is greater than 4 divided by 3, and x is less than 2 divided by 3, and you have to solution set x belongs to all of real numbers, and such that x is greater than 4 divided by 3 and 4 divided by 3 or x is less than 2 divided by 3. It's a solution set. It's solution set. And line graph, that's the A and its line graph is easiest. So 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, and you have to x is greater than 4 divided by 3. So 0, 1, that's the point. 0 greater than, x is greater than. So that implies this to the 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that implies 4 divided by 3. That's why 1, 0, 1. 4 divided by 3. That means 1 থেকে 0, 1. 1 থেকে একটু বেশি. This the point is 4 divided by 3. And 0, minus 1, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2/3. That means 1, 2, 3rd. That means plus. That means 2/3. 2/3. That means the point. That means 1. 1. This is the point of 2/3. So you have to clear this. The 2/3 is less than. That means this the lines, and that means this the lines, right? This the lines and this the lines. So you have to clear this the line graph, and solution set and Samadhan sets are easily no problem. You have to practice day by day. And now solve this question number 3. Question number 3. We have to solve this greater than f of x is greater than 0. These maths are similarly solved in previous lot of maths. So these maths are not problem, I think that. So you have to practice is symbolically practice. Then obviously this practice are so easiest, I think. So that's why x minus 1 modulus minus 1 by 3 is greater than 0. That implies x minus 1 modulus is less than 1 divided by 3 is less than 1 divided by 3. That's why x minus 1 modulus plus 2 greater than less than 1 by 3 plus 2. That's why x minus 1 plus 2 modulus is less than 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. That implies x plus 1 modulus is less than 7 divided by 3. So that's why is a 1 number and this is the 2 number. So multiply 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 we get x minus 1 modulus and x plus 1 modulus is less than 1 divided by 3 is less than 1 divided by 3 into 7 divided by 3. That's why x square minus 1 is modulus divided by 7 divided by 9. 7 divided by 9. So you have to thinking this is the process are so easily, and the easiest is not a major problem. So you have to solve this any moment and any place or any institution. So this maths are so easily you have to practice. Obviously, then the collects in your proper marks 2, 4, and 4. It's so easiest maths. I think you have to practice. Obviously, then you should collect in the good marks. Well, on humbly request all of the learners and viewers, you have to practice in fluency and practice everybody and every moment, because in front of the exam. So this maths obviously practice and watching this my channel. So obviously, firstly subscribe and share and comments. Well, thank you.